Alright boys, here's my motor output pulley prototype so far. I just I glued thumbtacks to a post-it note after drawing a circle the size of the motor can diameter, which is 24 millimeters for a 2430 BLDC motor. I had to make some cuts to some of the pins, and I had to reduce it to 5 safety tacks instead of 6, which is the original plan, because I just felt it was too cramped. So you can see I made a cut here and I made a cut here because the circle wasn't fitting, and I didn't want it lifted up onto another circle because that would make it no longer vertical. It'd be slightly like bent off to one side, and I want them well aligned. So anyways, you can see I've got all 5 pulleys here, all 5 discs, and they do spin freely. So it's matching my drawing, which is here. I got the 6 here, but I dumped it down to 5. And that will down gear at 64 to 1. With 5, it'll down gear at 32 to 1, assuming each one is 2x the previous torque. Down gears it by 2x. But we might be able to down gear by 2.3x on each one and still get it around 64 to 1 down gearing that way. If we make the bigger of the two even bigger. So that's a bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller. And again, this is a number 2 fishing crimp as a steel cylinder over the stainless steel thumbtack, and that forms your plain bearing as the center of it all. And then you got your fishing line wrapping around, PE braided fishing line. And we got our really fine PE braided fishing line here, Hercules brand, 6-pound test. It's very, very fine. So this will be able to wrap a lot of times and delete a lot of distance. We're probably going to be reeling a total of like 6 feet of string in originally. And after the down gearing, that 6 feet is reduced to around an inch of total draw at the finger joint. So the motor reels and reels and reels and reels to get 6 feet total drawn in, but the finger joint, reflecting that reeling, only moves 1 inch. Or maybe 3/4 of an inch or whatever. So that reduction in total movement is trading speed for torque. That's how the down gearing works.